Brian back. I thought I'd start taking a look at this coin, GameFi.org. Looks like a possible decent project here. It's having a breakout of this overhead resistance. Looks like it could definitely be bouncing here. If we go over here, this is their website. Pretty impressive. Nice setup here. You go down through it. 45 GameFi projects, 10 Metaverse projects, 5 DeFi projects, all projects 5, INO collections 15. Look at the launch pad, look at these, 752% this one did. If you move on here, let's look at some of these, 366%. Their launch pad, they've, what have they done? 45 projects, 152. 152x, 117x. Look at some of these 752x. Pretty impressive. Definitely nice site over here. You can go through everything. Go down through here. Greatest hub, all-time high, return on investment, launchpad, massive community, game world. Look at some of these. I'll join now. Really nice setup here. Right through here, they go through what's this, quarter 2, quarter 3. They're working on support more chains. Look at this. Best Launchpad 2025, Game World Metaverse. Pretty interesting project, so I thought I'd start covering it. I like it. I like what they're doing. Pretty impressive. Not financial advice at all. I have nothing to do with this thing. 200,000 users. They've raised 12.8 million. 42x all-time high average return on investment of 42x. 80 plus project launchpad. Pretty awesome. I like it. So if we go over to Coin Market Cap, GameFi $1.65. Volume is up 42%. Circulating supply 8,340,000. Total supply 14.9 million. So they have 55% out there. They're holding 45%, which isn't too bad. I'd like to see that number a little bit higher, but fully diluted market cap 24 million. Market cap $13 million. Small market cap. That's what you want to. That's where you find your gems at. I like the project, so I'm gonna start covering more of it. So if we move over here and take a look, can we pull it up on Crypto Bubbles or not? Let's see. We're gonna take a look. GameFi. Yeah, there it is. Number 610. All right. 24-hour volume 119 million. The day for the month they're down 24%, year down 81%. You don't want to buy when they're green. You want to buy when after this. That's when you want to get in. This thing had an all-time high of $14. All right, so I don't know. I like the chart. I like. Let's move out to the weekly. It might have been higher than that. It was. Holy cow! This thing had a. What was the all-time high? Let's go down through here. It'll tell it here on CoinMarketCap. All-time high $351, and it's at $1.65. $351. All-time low $1.24. Not financial advice at all, guys. I'm just showing you something that's interesting and that looks pretty decent. So I'm going to take a shot at this one. The weekly. Look at this. Wow, this thing this has an all-time high on this chart of 192, but it was above $350. Okay, let's take a look at this. Take a look at the RSIs and stuff. Look at the volume coming in here. This big green spike. Then you got another green one starting here on the weekly. I like that. That's what you want to see. All right. Right here, when it had that spike, it went from $5 to 13. All right, and it's had this massive collapse. Now it's breaking out of this resistance down here, and it's dropped down to let's see here. Let's move this line down. Low of $1.20. We'll just put it there for now. Okay. All right. Let's look at some RSIs and see if they're backing up anything. Look at this. The weekly is just starting up. All right. The daily is at the top. It's at 100 and it's at a 97. Down here, it's only at a 44. All right. You got the breakout of the resistance right there. Whoops. Sorry about that. Which I love to see. We got a 12-hour at the top, 91 and an 85. 8-hour, 100 and an 80. The 4-hour is also at the top and bearish. Okay, the weekly, that's the one I want to see right there. We have a monthly on here. Not really. The weekly, that's the one. This thing could be bottoming out. This could be a gem. You have 210,000 right there, and this week just started. There's 24,000. Getting a breakout of this resistance. If you go into 12-hour, all right, pull this back. You can see the resistance line started way up here. If we put it. No matter where you put it, it's a breakout. Okay, I like it right there. That looks about best to me. All right, had this overhead resistance, 1 hit, 2 hits. That's pretty much a hit. Hit down here, and now the break. The longer the trend is, the longer the resistance, the bigger the breakout. This resistance here started in June, but this downtrend has been just crushing this thing. All right, look at this. It's $1.20. It's now at $1.65, guys. This was a $300 coin, so I don't know. If you want to take a chance on it, looks like we have a break here. Right here is a resistance level. Right there, you can see that it was support here. Then it fell through that. All right. Worst, what I can see here, with this breakout, is that's going to be the tell-all story right there. If we get a break of that, then this thing could really go. But we'll have to see. I might throw a few bucks at it and see what happens. But this thing, it looks like it might be ready to go. All right, guys, thank you very much. I thought I'd take a look at this, and we'll see what happens. It's up 7% for the day at $1.66. So, all right, thank you very much. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.